welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to review a very beautiful product. Why I'm saying beautiful, I'll show it to you. This product is from the brand called MyGlamm. This is their Perfect Curves Moisturizing Matte Lip Crayon, and the packaging is really beautiful. Like, it's very classy. It comes in this cardboard box. It has the manufacturing date, the price, the ingredient list, everything mentioned on the box, so you can definitely go through it. I guess it's not chemical, paraben free product. No, it's not, definitely not. So yeah, it contains chemicals. So if you are someone who is into like using paraben free products in their makeup also, then it's up to you whether you want to try it or not. But I have used it for like 2-3 days now, so I would recommend this to you guys. I would highly recommend this to you guys. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. It comes in this like plasticky body with a golden cap. It looks really classy. I mean, it'll look really good in your vanity, and yeah, it's really pretty. It's a pretty product. So coming to the formulation, this sorry guys, you can see I've already used it quite a lot, so it's completely all over there. Let's come to the product now. This is the shade. This is the shade called Debutante. This comes in this twisted form. So once you twist, this is how the product will come out, and it's very convenient to use. Like, it will not go into waste. This tip will always help you to like outline your lips. Of course, it will get flattened after some time, but still, it's a beautiful shade, so I have no complaints. And it's really moisturizing. Just look at the shade. It's very beautiful shade. Just look at it. It's moisturizing. I mean, I have already worn it like 2-3 times, and it feels really light on your lips. So you can wear this comfortably around 2 to 3 hours. After that, you will need some retouch. I wore it at my office, and by the lunchtime it was kind of gone from my lips. Anyhow, this kind of this lip shade will suit all Indian skin tones, be it fair, dusky, be it wheatish, any skin tone it will suit. So here I'm not wearing any makeup right now. I'll show how it will look on my skin tone. I have yellow undertones. Honestly guys, it's a beautiful shade. I mean, I totally love it. Totally. It's a beautiful shade. It's very natural. It feels really light on your lips, but it's very moisturizing. Like unlike other matte lipstick, they tend to peel off or they tend to dry your lips. This is very moisturizing. Let's do a swatch. Let's see how transfer proof it is. Okay, it will transfer. If you guys can just see, it will transfer. It will definitely transfer. So, and another hack which I can definitely tell you, the kind of pigmentation it has, the kind of texture, like creamy texture it has, you can definitely wear it as a cream blush. Put it on your cheeks and tap it and dust it with some powder, and you're good to go. Like, it'll look good. Let's try that actually. Let's see how blendable it is. I'm not actually wearing any makeup, so I don't know how good it will blend into my skin. But here I'm putting the lipstick. Let's see how. Oh my god. Guys, it blends like butter. If I do a proper makeup, I'm definitely going to use it as a cream blush also. I mean, I just love this shade, yeah. It's very like office going for a smoky eye. You can definitely wear this shade. And MyGlamm always has some discounts going on, like 50% off, get it for free, just pay the shipping charge, like those kind of discounts going on. So this product retails for $6.95. So with the discounts and everything, you have to just pay half of it. So I would recommend you to buy the product when it is on sale. It is really worth it. Yeah. If you have liked my video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please mention your comments below if you want me to review any other product. I would love to do it for you guys, and see you until next time.